Hi, welcome to my studio. Just a quick tip today on how to create watercolors with just 3 colors. This particular landscape in watercolor was done with Ultramarine Blue and Cadmium Yellow and some Alizarin Crimson. And I was able to mix the darks to get the dark in the trees, mix values to get the distinction in the mountains, and some darks on the bottom to get those leaves and grasses. Now you can use other colors, but this was enough to mix to get the effects I needed just using a red, a blue, and a yellow. And as you can see, I used the same basic process for mixing 3 colors to create this very simple seascape using ultramarine blue, lemon yellow or cad yellow, and red. And here's an idea of how I mix my colors down and get an idea of how they look by just dropping some color into water on a piece of paper. So this way you can do a lot of different effects. You don't have to buy a lot of paint, or if you're painting outside, you can just rely on the 3 primaries, red, blue, and yellow. And the key to watercolor is practicing. So have a creative day and don't forget to keep practicing. Thanks for watching.